In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Notion template with someone else. If you've created a useful page in Notion and you want another person to be able to use that same layout in their own workspace, the good news is that the process is very simple. The key is making sure you share it the right way so they can duplicate the template instead of just viewing it. Start by opening the Notion template you want to share. This should be the exact page you want the other person to copy. So before you share it, it's a good idea to quickly check that everything looks the way you want. Make sure the structure is complete, the headings are clear, and anything private or unnecessary has already been removed. Once the template is open, go to the top right corner of the page and click Share. This will open the sharing settings for that specific Notion page. In the Share menu, turn on sharing to the web. This makes the page accessible through a public link. When you enable this option, Notion creates a shareable URL that other people can open in their browser. After that, make sure to enable the option called Duplicate as Template. This step is especially important because it allows the person receiving the link to copy the page directly into their own Notion workspace. Without this setting turned on, they may only be able to view the page instead of actually using it as a template. Once both of those settings are enabled, copy the public Notion link. This is the link you'll send to the person who needs the template. Now send that link to them using whatever method works best for you, such as chat, email, or another communication tool. Just make sure they receive the correct public link and not an internal workspace link. When they get the link, ask them to open it. The page should load in their browser, and if the sharing settings were configured correctly, they'll see the option to duplicate. At that point, they can click Duplicate to add the template to their own Notion workspace. That gives them their own copy, which they can edit, customize, and use however they want without affecting your original version. That's all it takes to share a Notion template properly. As long as web sharing is turned on and duplication is enabled, the process is quick and smooth for both you and the person receiving the template.